Namaste, welcome to Home #Live, and in today's video I will be sharing with you how I have decorated our living room area. I hope that you have checked our previous video on living room area tour where I have shared a complete transformation and few interior tips. If you have missed the video, don't worry, you can find it in the I button or in the description box below. Today's video is kind of a decorate with me video where I will show you how I put together all the things, and if you want to know my thought behind choosing each decor and from where I have bought all these decor pieces and their prices, let me know in the comment section below so that I can consider making a separate video on that. Now let's start today's video. Before decorating any space, always select a style or a theme. As I told you earlier, I wanted to go with a traditional Indian look for our living room area, but I left rooms to give contemporary touches here and there. In our living room, we have this old style looking sofa as of now, but you can always style it with new and trendy looking cushion covers or throw blankets. In future, I will definitely share with you everything, but let's move on to today's video now. Where you will find peace. So I have added these textured curtains in neutral tan shades so that when I will add bright or colorful cushions, the space will not look overdone. Well, take it in the view. You will find that life is greater than you knew. When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you. Try to keep your sofa's fabric in neutral color. It will allow you to play with different shades of colors. In this picture, you can see a blue theme is going on, or in today's video, I kept the theme as summery or rainy season related, where I am using orange and yellow as pop-up colors. Changing out cushions will lift up any space instantly. I just added this umbrella print white cushion cover to tone down these vibrant colors, but still, as it has orange touches, it creates a cohesiveness among all the cushions. To the water, you're sailing with the breeze. Take a step into the river. Decorating or styling a coffee table can be tricky, as you don't want to overload the space because it reduces the functionality. Also, you don't want a bare coffee table as well. So you can use tray to solve the problem. When you need, you simply take out the whole tray to create more space. When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night. As you can see, the white tray has a very modern look and the yellow ceramic pots have traditional touches. I'm also adding this very beautiful brass tray to create that Indian traditional decor look that I want. Where you will find peace. Take a step into the river and get down on your... For a small space decoration, always look for a functional furniture which will have storage space, and you can decorate the top of the furniture to beautify your home. Again, you can see as per today's decor theme what we have selected for our living room. I'm adding yellow and orange decor pieces, and this brass camphor holder has its own beauty to create the traditional essence. Come to the mountain, we'll take it in the view. Adding greenery to your living space always lighten up the mood. If you cannot take care of live plants, then you can definitely go for artificial ones. Although this one is Erica palm, considered as indoor plant, breaks the monotony of this dark wood furnitures. This whole TV unit has a dark wood tone, so to make the space more breathable, we added this white quartz. It helps me to add traditional as well as modern decor pieces as per our choice.
You're broken and you're shattered at the point of no return. You pick up the piece.
Down here inside this glass cabinet, I tried to give a evergreen look with few modern decor pieces. Here our electric inlet outlet for TV's plug point, Wi-Fi. And in this second glass cabinet, I have added a beautiful rustic vase and few more contemporary decors.
You keep you warm when you stay in the night. I will shelter, I will fight. Oh, yeah.
The common element between these two cabinets are greenery, white and green combination, which actually created a cohesiveness. But different decor pieces make the space look very interesting. Here you can see how I play with my decors. I am changing out these artificial white hydrangeas with these beautiful yellow flowers to keep the decor theme going on. Added these cane baskets to keep our remote controls, a brass urli and few family pictures.
So come to the water where you will find peace. Take a step into the river and get down on your knees.
I always love to add fresh flowers while decorating our living room, and to add flowers in a urli pot is always the first choice for me. Our living room is small, I can call it as living space. So when I focus on decorating or styling the space, I keep in mind that the space should not look cluttered with many decor items, and I try to stick with a particular color theme.
To the mountain.
I love this shelf above the TV. Its modern look breaks the monotony of having traditional theme, and I can decorate the space with modern home decor accents, or if I want, I can completely go with traditional decors. Here mostly I have added neutral copper brass tone decors so that if I need to change out any decor pieces, I can switch only 2 or 3 decor pieces to gel everything together. Just like according to today's theme, I added this bluish yellow candle stand. What do you think? Is it looking nice? Let me know in the comment section below. Only one essential piece is missing here, and that is a wall clock. Once I get the clock, I will update you all on my Instagram page.
So come to the water, you're sailing with the breeze. Take a step into the river where you will find peace. Where you go through the storm, I will hold.
Also, paintings are missing from today's decor video. I'm searching for a timeless classic piece. If you know about any good painting store or any place, please let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comment section below if you want to know from where I have collected all these decors and its prices. Also, share this video with your loved ones. Do subscribe to Home #Live for more videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. If you want to see more this type of decorate with me video, give this video a big thumbs up and share your inputs in the comment section below.